In this video, we will guide you through the steps to generate a job pick list for multiple jobs. Before generating the pick list, ensure that your jobs have been released. Navigate to the Production Reports section and click on the Aggregated Materials Requirement Report. You can use the filters to retrieve jobs more efficiently. If you know the job order number, use the job order number filter. Otherwise, you can use the item or product code filter to find jobs that meet your criteria. Click on the filter button after specifying your criteria. If your jobs run multiple batches and you wish to release the pick list by production batch, adjust the quantity to release to match the scheduled production quantity. The system will automatically calculate the required material quantity based on the released quantity. Click on the Generate button to create the pick list. If common materials are used across different jobs, their quantities will be automatically consolidated and summed up. You can choose to print the report directly in Axacute or export the pick list to Excel or CSV. By default, the system will include all required materials according to the bill of materials. However, you can exclude the materials that are not physically required by unchecking the corresponding checkbox. Once all settings are finalized, proceed to print the pick list. Thank you for watching this video.